IT professionals were always subject to eye strain because of computer use, even before the onset of the pandemic. Now, since the coming of COVID-19, we have seen that not only has their eye strain because of computers continued, but moreover they're confined to a very small space, unlike before. All the little strolls that they could take in between their work when they used to go out for lunch or used to have tea breaks has completely died down. Besides, the interaction with their colleagues is also very much limited to the online mode. So there's no walking from one chair to another and easing the strain on your eye or focusing at a distance object, which you can do inside an office. Under these circumstances, how can a professional maintain his or her eye health given the limited space and the odd timings that sometimes we are subject to? Because the working hours also, the fine line between the working hours and the non-working hours has also been erased. So first of all, before we start with the eye, what I'd like to do is request that it would be a good idea to maintain definite working hours. Like how long it is or when it is not the question. The question is that they be well defined so that you sit at the screen and you're aware of the fact that you're sitting at the screen for an X amount of time. Now, following that, maintaining a good posture is essentially very, very important, because of which you need to continue sitting on a chair with a table in front of you, just like you would do in the office. So this ensures that your back has a good support and your arms are well rested and you are in ergonomically a good position to type. And your screen level should also be slightly below your eye level, maybe around an inch or so that your gaze is just right. Keeping a screen level high causes your eye to be lifted up, and continuously maintaining your eyes in that position would fatigue them. Now, coming to the other factors that are equally important is the lighting in the room. Now, when you're sitting in front of a computer, just make sure you don't have light falling straight into your eyes from behind the computer, or light coming from behind the head and throwing shadows on your computer or your work area. It would be good to have some sort of diffuse lighting coming from the sides. Even natural daylight is a good option. So controlling the amount of light and the intensity of light and making it soft is a good idea. Besides that, if you are a person who uses glasses or contact lenses because of some refractive error, it's always a good idea to use them when you are at work. So whether it be glasses or contact lenses, the refractive correction, the optical correction that you use should be complied with, because that definitely reduces eye strain. So as long as you're working, you need to continue wearing it so that you can focus properly without eye strain. The blink rate that we usually have is around 12 times in a minute when we are normally not at work or not concentrating on anything. But as soon as we start focusing on the screen or we start concentrating on something, our blink rate drops. Now, be it watching TV or playing a video game or looking at the screen, that causes us to decrease our blink rates to around 5 times in a minute. So this prevents the tear film over our cornea and the conjunctiva from spreading properly, and there are more chances of the tear film evaporating, especially in a room which has air conditioning or the fan directly overhead. So this reduces the quality of vision and also causes a lot of irritation to the eyes, like dryness and foreign body sensation, redness sometimes. So blinking frequently is very important, and consciously the person should blink to around 10 times, 12 times in a minute. That would aid the proper dispersal of the tear film. Whenever you're looking at the computer, focus for a short while, let's say for around 20 or 30 minutes, it's wise to disengage for some time and look at a distance object. It could be a picture, it could be a calendar, anything that's in your room that's at a distance for around 20 to 30 seconds. So that relaxes the muscles of accommodation, and it reduces that spastic accommodation that sometimes happens when you are using a computer. And of course, whenever you can, please take short breaks, get up from your seat, don't keep on sitting, take strolls around the room or just out of the room, talk to someone, or maybe just look out of your window or out of your balcony, eat a snack or drink some water, keep yourself well hydrated. So doing all this breaks the monotony of the work that you have. Then whatever time you spend on the computer, you need to pay for by reducing your other screen time. That is very important. You cannot spend your working day on the computer and then your night on the screen for whatever personal activities you may want. So please reduce the screen time that you'd be spending on video games or let's say watching television to a bit, especially not late into the night, because that disturbs the sleep rhythm and makes you a very bad candidate for work the next day. So all these are minor steps, minor lifestyle changes that help going a long way in preventing eye strain. But still, if it persists and if you're feeling bad and your eyes constantly irritated and you feel heaviness of your lids and you don't feel like working or you cannot work after some time, then it would be wise to consult a professional, consult an ophthalmologist so that they can look deeper into it and check for any other problems that you may have.
ആനന്ദ ന്യൂസിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ വീഡിയോസും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കാൻ ആനന്ദ ന്യൂസ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ആ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ കൂടി ഒന്ന് പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക.